welcome back to Clowne. It's been a while since I've done an update on the old station. I think it was in July the last time I was here. Combination of working and bad weather. It's now the beginning of September, 5th of September today, so I was coming down just to have a nosy around what the chaps have been up to. It's the last time I saw them. Stunningly warm day today. It's going to be about 28 degrees today. So if you remember the last time we was here, they was removing all the big stones off the edge of the ramp, weren't they? Taking up all those tree stumps. I'll take you up there in a minute, but there's been quite a lot of nice cosmetic work done. But the biggest update is on the front of the building. Don't know if you can see it poking out there. It's hidden behind the scaffolding, and that's a mock-up of the station clock. For generations now, the location of the clock has just been a slightly less dirty circle on the red bricks. I wouldn't care to guess how long the clock's been missing, but we can see on these old photographs when the track was still down, the clock isn't present. It's not a real clock, but the mock-up clock face has been installed in the last few weeks. But it's great to see a clock face on the front of the old station building looking over the tunnel. And I suppose even at least twice a day, this new clock face will be correct. Interesting discovery in the last few weeks. So guys found this 2p coin, so just showing it against a normal, well, it's not a 2p, it's a 1p, isn't it? Actually, sorry, it's not a 2p. That was just down here on the track bed, so we think that it's, as you can see, it's been, kids put them on the tracks to be flattened by the trains. So you found this just down there next to the signal. What do you say it is, Adam?
I think it's a shunter's pole where they used to uncouple all the trucks to the engines.
Okay, like with a hook.
Yeah.
Hook on the end.
They would have had like a long pole, so they'd be able to reach down and hook it.
Yeah.
And that's what we think that is. We'll leave it with the ballast so it just looks right.
So my previous shout out for people with a little bit of tarmac's not come to fruition then. Still better though, at least it's covered up all the massive holes, hasn't it now?
It just looks nice looking up, and you've got your clean ballast and it matches the path.
Yeah, it looks nice now it's being pointed and fences up as well other side, doesn't it? Night and day though, isn't it, if you think back?
Yeah.
When you started and all this was just overgrown, trees growing out of the old building and wall all disintegrating.
Yeah, a few down there.
We want brackets on so we give proper thing, don't we?
Yes, last time I were here you were taking all these stones off and taking all the weeds and just repairing all the brickwork underneath them. So they're all now back on, aren't they?
Take them off to stack weld these onto these poles. You know, what we've got to do is put post onto that end here, tacked on. Oh, this is going to go that way, not that way. Yeah. Right? So this, this one wants to be full there and there. It's just going to tack it, yeah. It's just going to tack weld it.
And let him tack weld that, and then we can drill it while it's on.
Yeah.
So shall we get this?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can get this one now up there. Ready. That's it.
What gap did we have? What gap were it round here?
Yeah. Ah, you do it. Yeah. What you gap?
What coming down?
Station road's currently closed, gasworks I think, so I can actually come and get out of the sun, actually come and get a decent shot of the station without fear of being mowed over. It is a narrow little passage just through this little gap by the side of the station, isn't it? Usually just clinging to that little narrow footpath on the corner there. And that's the old station master's house. Business centre now. Sorry about the sun. Seems to be in the worst position, whatever angle I'm filming at. Carry on wandering down Station Road. In fact, while we're walking on the path, look at all this room. We can have a decent look off the old Midland Clowne branch, can't we? Off the bridge here. Unless you're willing to take your life in your hands, you'd never walk on this this side of the bridge. There we go, and there's the cutting, look. It's the old, well, that's now the Clowne Greenway, isn't it, that? Walked or run down there many a time. Because the road's so narrow here, we've got this extra little bridge, look, that they've put in for the pedestrian, for the footpath. An old fence. It feels very strange. It's walking down the middle of this road. It's such a busy road. People come flying down it as well, right round the blind bend, look, just threading between the station building and the buildings on the other side. I don't think I've actually ever shown you the view from up here, have I? I can't remember ever standing on top of this footbridge onto the other station. If I walk you along, you'll see that signal at the end of the platform, just from the top view. You can't probably see it, but you can still see the initials BR stamped on top of that.
Hold up, John.
That's squared up. Oh. You're doing both sides, George. You tack it up. You put a bit more on here. That's it. Right. You know what out on it?
But it's lovely and cool in this tunnel. Oh, it's so fresh, isn't it? Refreshing under here.
Oh, it's a lot better in here, isn't it?
Yeah. Just saying, they ought to charge admission fees to come and shelter under here when there's an heat wave. And that's it for this video. I hope you're enjoying the short updates video that I'm putting out as the restoration progresses. I do know of people literally the other side of the world that are following these updates on this little railway station restoration in the county of Derbyshire. But as always, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon.